Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing these Vuori men's Sunday performance joggers. And this is the color in Forest Heather. Brand new color. Just got this in the mail. So, Vuori, happier on a healthy planet. Oh yeah, so they use recyclable materials. Yeah, this packaging feels definitely recycled, so loud, crinkly. Let's go. Good job, Vuori. These are some of my favorite joggers, so gotta get another pair in another color. Boom. Let's go. Vuori. Sunday state of mind, how I'm always like. Sunday performance jogger. Oh, these are dope. All right, get the paper out of the way. Recycled paper. Boom. So what I like most about these is this zipper over here on the front left. What the heck? Oh, jeez. All right, first time, always difficult. I also like these back pocket zippers, so boom, you know. Zippers on both back pockets. Super fresh, nice color. Looks better in person, I have to say, the color. And then the drawstring up here, fresh. So yeah, there you have it. The Vuori Sunday performance jogger. Again, one of my favorite joggers. I've had a pair for a couple years now, and time to get a couple more pairs. Always free returns. Cool. Yeah, that's it. It's a really good pair of joggers, so shout out to Vuori. All right, guys. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Later.